So here's how to sign up for the PureVPN affiliate program. But before we start, you can click on my link down in the description to try out PureVPN for free. Start by opening the browser on your PC and go to purevpn.com/affiliates. Once you're on this page, go to the top panel and tap on Pricing. From here, you can browse and choose the best plan that you want. Now, go back to the previous page. Here, scroll down to explore the page to know more about the affiliate program. For example, benefits of the PureVPN affiliate program, how to become an affiliate, and many more. After you're done, scroll up to the top and tap on Become our affiliate. Over here, enter the required user and promotional details, and then tap on Submit at the bottom. You have now successfully submitted your request. Once they review and approve, you will become a PureVPN affiliate. And that's it. You can now easily sign up for the PureVPN affiliate program.